Today we are going to do some good old-fashioned line of sight flying with the Golden Jet, and it's super duper windy today, so you'll see how that goes. I think everything's good. I think this is the right size battery and the CG and stuff, but we're gonna find out. Actually, let's check the CG right now. I don't know. We're fine. We're probably good. If not, you know, we'll find out. So I think we're okay. Let's see how she do. We got a 4-cell. This prop is it's a 60-45. Here we go. Wow. I just remembered I'm not wearing my sunglasses. Come on back around, buddy. Let's see if we can land this thing, because I got to put on my sunglasses. Hey, man, it can barely go into the wind. It can barely go into the wind. Go! Oh, man. So the wing coming off is normal. These wings are not glued in or anything like that, so that's totally okay that they're coming apart like that. Okay, let's put these wings back on. Oh boy. Yeah, these controls are just not the greatest for dealing with this wind. Keeps wanting to like tip to the side. You know, a lot of people wonder why I fly so close to the ground, because they're like, man, you're so stupid, you don't know anything. And, well, that could be true. But the reason why I fly so close to the ground is because, one, it's more fun, you know? It's closer, you can see it, it's you know, you've got that element of risk, you know? And also it is just easier to maintain orientation and stuff. The other reason why is so that you can see it. Because especially with the GoPro, you know, if I've got a GoPro strapped to my head and I don't have anybody to film the airplane for me, you can't see the thing if I'm flying super high. And that's not really fun for anybody. Although I do have a camera on it right now, which hopefully we'll be able to use the footage from. So we're pretty much just hanging out. Get a nice silhouette shot. Oh, no, it was too much. Had to turn around. Okay. And the thing is going pretty fast downwind. Thing is getting smashed around. Oh man, it's got such a crazy sound to it. This thing is built so weirdly, and that motor, I think it's just probably a bad choice of motor for this thing. Let's see if we can land it. Let's try for a landing. Come on, buddy. Gonna crab. There you go. Just enough power to bring it in. Wow. That was a pretty great landing, actually. Dang. High five. Yeah. That's what you call a homeschool high five right there. Oh, gosh. Yeah, that's pretty intense. I think this thing with some actual ailerons would be pretty sweet. But if you did that, you'd probably want to attach the wings, would be my guess. Let's try for a low pass. Come on, baby. Low pass right here. Low pass. Low pass. Yeah, it's not going to happen. Abort, abort. We're doing a go-around, folks. Let's do a loop. That was nice. That looks like a really big cloud right there. All right, let's try for another low pass. We gotta have some speed though to get past this this wind. That was semi decent-ish. Come on now, come on back. Come on. Okay, I can feel it. I can feel it. This is gonna be a good one. Here we go. Oh, that was a beautiful pass. Look at that. Bam! Full power. That battery is probably not very happy with me. Let's let it cool down a bit. This is a 4-cell we're using here. Uh-oh, battery's done. Battery's done. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Beautiful landing, if I do say so myself. I'm really surprised, actually, because I just figured we'd smash this thing into a million pieces because of this wind. Wow, that was actually pretty good. Yeah, the battery, I rarely just run it until the battery's done. Like, because it's really bad for your battery. But this time I did. Oh yeah, we got a little bit of puffiness going on. We're gonna let that cool off and just kind of chill. But man, that was fun. Well, thanks for hanging out with me, folks. I had a good time, even though it seemed like it'd be too windy to fly, but it worked out okay. So thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time.